shop deco. Okay, so before we go further, right, there is a big misconception or big reluctance on sellers saying that no, I'm not going to do shop decoration. It's pointless, it's useless, it's waste of time. Okay, I'm here to get sales. My focus is only on sales. Okay, well, there is nothing wrong about that. Okay, of course, we are in here for sales, but shop decoration is not simply about beautifying your shop, full stop. Okay, shop decoration is to differentiate your store from other people. Okay, people like beautiful things and they like different things. So you need to make sure your store is outstanding and can attract buyer to visit and purchase from your store. Okay, but it doesn't mean if your store is beautiful, you will get the sales. Okay, often or not, we see the store is beautifully decorated but have minimal or low sales. Okay, attractiveness alone is not going to drive a lot of sale, because in fact the actual reason for shop deco is to arrange your store in organized and beautiful manner. Okay, the word arrange comes first, then only beautiful. So you need to know how to push your best selling item, your top performance item, your featured product to the public. So that's the misconcept that you will learn today. Okay, so shop decoration is free, so you don't need to pay to use it. There are basically 6 elements in shop decoration. So first is carousel. Okay, carousel lets you to display up to 6 different images on rotation. So if you put one photo, it will become one static image only. So if you put more than one photo, it will become a carousel, or people always call it as slider. Okay, so it will slide as like a timer. Okay, so please don't simply put picture of your product. Okay, this is where most sellers go wrong. They put picture of the product here on the slider. So I hope every one of you is taking down notes, yeah, because so basically what we want to do now is to make sure that you are using carousel properly. So okay, this is important. Always make sure that all photo that you put is linked to product or category or offer. Do not let it wasted just like that. Okay, so the worst thing you can do is having a spectacular eye-catching banner but it's not clickable. Okay, you have such a beautiful banner, when people want to click and buy, example, the baju kurung, they cannot click to that product. Okay, so the customer will come and feel, oh my god, I must have this beautiful rainbow baju kurung, but they click and it's not leading to anywhere. Okay, so you are wasting your prospect and leads here. Okay, so remember, make sure your banner is linkable and clickable. How to make banner click, we will show you on live demo after this. Okay, Bobby? Alright, okay, next is product category. So you want to also showcase your best seller. Example here, green tea. Okay, green tea is really doing well. So you want to create a category for all green tea series and showcase it first. So if you want to cross-sell, do it somewhere else at marketing center, but not here. Okay, so at the shop decoration, under the product category, you want to list your best seller or top performer category. So you don't want to make your customer go confused with the rest of, let's say, 200 or 1,000 of your other products. Okay, so do product categorization and make your customer shopping experience a breeze. Okay, so you can showcase up to 8 of your top products under the product category. Again, make sure it is linkable to your product list page, which will direct your shopper to that category or product. Okay, okay, so now video. So people like to watch video more than photo. So if you have video, right, you will at least see 3.5 times more view and 6.5 times more sales. Okay, I'm not lying to you, but this is in fact the data that we have. Okay, video converts better. Okay, so you can upload an engaging YouTube video to introduce about yourself, your brand, or top products. Okay, so please take note. Okay, only YouTube video link is accepted. Okay, so What do I do if I don't have if I only have a video file but not video in YouTube? Okay, so relax, take a deep breath, relax, go to your own YouTube channel, your own YouTube account, upload the video, give credit if necessary, and voila, you have a video, a YouTube video of your own already. Okay, so you just need to put the video in your YouTube account, take the link and paste it here. Okay, so it is very simple actually. Okay, next is banner. Okay, so banner is basically to show what is your USP, okay, your unique selling point, your store gain that other people cannot give. Okay, so that's what banner is all about. Okay, so you can select and display 2 images up front on your shop page to showcase your top 2 products or any promotion. Okay, and remember to add a hyperlink to each image to direct shopper to purchase. Okay, okay, now the product highlights. Okay, product highlights is you want to draw people attention to your selected product in store. Okay, for example, you are showcasing the newly added product in your store, you want to give them a fair share of the store traffic, you put it here, you put it on the product highlights. Or you want to call for attention for all the Chinese New Year related product, so you put it here at the product highlights. Okay, and finally the category. So you need to know what your customer really want, and you want to kind of give what they really want. So you can highlight maybe 4 to 8 of your most popular category or brand or functions, and you put it here. Okay, example, you are selling a postnatal product, so maybe if you want to put it brands here, you can put like Tanah Merah, Mak Kuntum, brand A, brand B, brand C, and so on. Okay, or you can put shop by functions like slimming product or corset or slimming tea or something like that, herbal therapy, and so on. Okay, okay, here is a good example of a good shop profile. So cover photo. Sometimes, right, if your cover photo is not reflective of the niche you are selling, buyer will left. Okay, so if your cover photo is unattractive, buyer will also lose confidence and left. Okay, next is your store name. Okay, so if the name is too long or like super duper battery cool for you, but instead of number 4, you put it FOR or something very fancy, very hipster like, okay, people will never remember you. So keep it short, keep it simple, and when people start talking about your brand, right, your name, words of mouth, people will easily remember and find you. Okay, okay, next is rating. So you want to get as much high rating as possible. As long as you deliver a good customer service, you do not need to worry about this so much, guys. Okay, even you are sending like defective or wrong item, you just need to apply a good customer service and offer best solution. Of course, sometimes there are funny customer, but most of the time, as long as you have a good customer service, you're gonna have a good rating. Okay, okay, here is seller voucher. Seller voucher is something you will learn in marketing. Okay, this is one of the most important marketing tool as it will display on your shop profile. Okay, so if you cannot afford high value voucher, do your own calculation, play around with the mechanics, but make sure in the end you're gonna display a voucher here all the time. Okay, and finally the short video. So you always make sure you have at least one engaging video. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at another one. So a well-designed cover photo. This is selling batik, okay? And then an informative description and Shopee account link to social media. This is to increase the buyer confidence. So when they see there is a social media presence, they're gonna feel more confidence, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna go into live demo. Okay, so hold on ya. This is my first time sharing screen in live stream. So, okay. So this is our seller center. So when you log in, this will be your dashboard. Okay. So what you're gonna do is you scroll down to shop. Okay, you go to shop profile. Okay, so this is basically all your shop profile. So the cover photo, you click edit cover photo here. So maybe you want to upload a banner here. Okay. And then this is profile photo. Click edit and then just put your face or your logo or some sort. Alright. Shop name, okay, this is what I mentioned just now. Okay, you want to put your brand name, okay, or you want to brand your own name. If your name is so nice, like Jovian or Celine or something like that, okay, so you can brand your own name, okay. And then you put images in or you put a video in and a shop description, and then you click save. So you are good to go, okay. So as simple as that. All right. Next is shop decoration. So you need to save this first, okay? Alright. So shop decoration. So shop decoration is the same, is under shop, and then you click shop decoration. So create a new draft. Okay, maybe you want to do a shop decoration for Raya edition. Okay. So you click create, okay? So shop decoration is not as hard as you think, okay? It's all a matter of drag and drop, okay? So these are the components, okay? So these are what the visual that you can put in. So basically you will have a carousel, okay? So when you click carousel, right, you can choose the size. So you can see what is the image width, what is the max size, the video, the photo format, okay? And so on. Okay, so you can just upload a photo like that, confirm. Okay, so when I say put a link, right, you can put a link here. You can put a link straight to the product page. Okay, so maybe this. Okay, all right, so this is just an example. Okay, and then another product, maybe, sorry. Okay, another product, maybe you want to put in your baju, your fashion, okay, and then this maybe is linked to an offer, okay, so maybe you already create a bundle deal, so you want to create, you can put a bundle deal offer here, okay, so when people click, it will be linked to the bundle deal promotion, okay, so because we don't have any bundle deal yet, so you can just select anything, okay, and you can also make it link to a category, okay? So that is carousel. So if you have more than one photo, it will become a carousel, a slider, okay? So you can put product by category, you can put your 2 images, how you want to put the 2 banner, right? So basically here, the 2 images, you just drag and drop here, okay? So you put in your photo, okay? Photo here. Upload photo 1, and then make it link to which product or which category, okay? Or if you want single image, okay, you can put it here, okay? Sorry. Okay. Like that, okay? And if you want to rearrange it, you can just click the cursor here and rearrange, okay? So normally it's carousel first and then single image, then 2 images, okay? So if you want to put the video in, just drag. If you want to put product highlight, just drag, okay? So it's there, okay? So product highlights is to highlight your new arrival, your best seller, your top performer, anything, okay? So you can make it auto or you can manually select which item, okay? If you put auto, you can select by highest sale, the latest listing. So this is new arrival, and lowest price. Okay? Why you want to highlight the lowest price, right, is you want to push people to complete the checkout with you. Okay, say example, to get a free shipping, you need a minimum 15 ringgit, and then they buy this baju kurung maybe 14 ringgit. So you want to offer them maybe a low price item at 1 ringgit just to make sure they don't abandon cart. Okay, so this is important. Selling a low price item is not selling a low price item is a strategy for you to ensure that you have a lower bounce rate. Okay, if you don't want, you can just delete it. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Also, you can also create banner from the seller center itself. So you go to banner creator. Okay, so this is for 2.2. Okay, so what you can do is you just need to change the image to this one. Okay, all right, and then you just and finish. So your banner is like that. It has a Shopee 2.2 banner, and then with your product inside here. Okay, so it's not like when you see people designing a beautiful banner, beautiful image, right? It's not that they are very excellent in Photoshop. No, it's just a matter of they are utilizing the tools inside Shopee Seller Center itself. Okay, so it's super easy. Alternatively, you can also go to templates and choose templates. Okay, so choose template. So you always see mall do this. Okay, and then you can scroll and have a look which one that suits you better. Okay, maybe cosmetic. Okay, and close. All right. Okay, so you want to use this one, maybe not this one. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, so you can just click try me. Same like this now. You just need to replace the photo only. Okay, replace the photo, or you can just click banner creator. Okay, if you want to put in the 2 images, also okay, even though you are using templates. Okay, you are using the template to get the template first, then you customize accordingly to whatever design you want. Okay, so that's basically shop decoration. Is there any question? Okay, where is my live storm? Okay, it's here. Okay, all right, so that's about shop profile and shop decoration.